Hall. We are going to discuss on how to export data from the D365. So if you look at D365 data export mechanism in comparing it to these previous versions, it's quite easy. So we go one by one. Let's first do how to do the export the data. So we all know in the D365 there is a two things called, one is called workspace and another one is called modules. In order to data export, we can go to the workspace. In that workspace, and then try to the go to the data management. Okay, so in the data management we have different options, and so the first there is a two different view. One is standard view, another one is enhanced view. So we maybe go to the standard view and we will discuss separately on these kind of discussions are detailed. We directly go to the point how to get exported out. This is the data projects, and this is the job history for last 24 hours, 3 days, and so on. What you have to do first, you just need to, there are different tiles are available, menu tiles are available. If you want to do the export first, you have to be click the export option here. Then what happened here, you can able to see there are this is the menu informations, and here you can see there are different options: save, new, delete, and export, and so on. And here there is a place you can able to update what kind of the export you are going to do that. For the start of this session, we maybe try to export some resource groups in the system. So let me write resource, let me write as a resource group, and I will write the descriptions as a resource groups. Then I can, here you see the data project operation type. I'm going to do the export, and this is the things. So what I'm saying is, this is, instead of seeing this view, if you click this one, you will get the different view. This is the standard view. In that standard view, it is little bit easy to start with your workings. So you can try to select from the Excel. What is saying is, I'm going to export resource group is a data entity. So every table or every information, they call it as a data entity. So the data entity could be a single table or the combination of the multiple table. Okay, there are the data entities which is predefined by D365. There are data entities which we maybe need to create. So this is the data entity which is already available in D365. Okay, so now I click Excel. Then I'm going to select entity name. So you need not enter everything. Just part of the description you can able to find that. So click the resource group. Let it be use sample file is no, and skip staging is yes. At this point of view, you maybe have the doubt which one need to select. At this point of view, please select full push only. So once this is done, you need to click add entity. So what we did is, so at present what we done is, this is stage one. The stage one is to click the export menu and select which data entity you are going to be export. So this is what we done it. Okay, the second one is, we are going to be exactly export the data from this entity. So what we need to do, I just click this one. So this is the entity and all those things are open now. So I select this one and click export. So what it says, data export job scheduled, please refer. This is that means your data is getting exported. So close this, and you can see the information here what is happening. That means the data exported is happening here. And so in this screen there is a process. This is a process happening in the backend. If you see the status is executing, you click the button called refresh. It will be update the status. If we see now the status is scheduled, that means that execution is completed. Now where is the data? It is exported, but you want to see the data, right? So go to here, download package. Click the download package. It will ask you the data package does not exist. Do you want to create new package? Click yes, and it will be create for you the export package. And when you go to the export package, export the file. So system will create this Excel file for you, and this is the data. It's get exported automatically by the D365. This is the way you can get exported. This is the simple way, or the first level how to export data from the D365.